Von Graz, Österreich nach Alanya, Türkei. Entlang der Mittelmeerküstenstraße. Erster Tag.
Graz, Avusturya'dan Alanya, Türkiye'ye. Akdeniz yolu boyunca. İlk gün.
Из Граца, Австрия, в Аланию, Турция. По Средиземноморской дороге. Первый день.
Graz, Avusturya'dan Alanya, Türkiye. Akdeniz yolu boyunca. İlk gün. From Graz, Austria to Alanya, Turkey. Along the Mediterranean Road. First day.
it's hoax or if it's truth. No, I don't care if Apollo really flew or just staged a photo shoot. No.
In 1969, the United States of America launched Apollo 11. This was the first manned space shuttle to land on the surface of the moon.
No, I don't care. No, I don't wanna fight. Not with you tonight. I don't care about anything that I do. I don't care. I don't care. No, I don't care. I don't care. Just as long as I'm with you. I don't care. I don't care. No, I don't care. No, I don't care if aliens exist and the government's hiding it. No, I don't care if they're floating through the sky, objects unidentified. No.
In 1947, the UFO crashed near Roswell, New Mexico. Many theories suggest that extraterrestrial occupants were removed from the wreckage.
No, I don't care. No, I don't wanna fight. Uçamayıp da saklanan kedicikler gibi sığındım senin sıcaklığına. Sevemiyorsan İstanbul'u benim gibi kaçalım yine bozkırlara İstanbul'da. Kimin için Osman İstanbul'da ne kaldı ki İstanbul'da.
Gefällt dir mein Video, klicke auf Like, abonniere meinen Kanal. Und die Glocke aktivieren, um das neueste Video nicht zu verpassen, ist gratis.